It's time to record, bro.
I gotta get this done. I gotta switch gears, dude. Switching gears too many times in the car. It's gonna make second gear really long.
That's what she said.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
First I need to grab a socket that actually fits.
Perfect.
Let's change the gears.
Gear change.
So now, instead of having a 4-3, we take this off, put this one on the top,
Oh, wow.
and now it's a 3-7. Yep, that's why they call it a quick change. Hydrating.
Hydration.
Hydration key. If not, I'll pass out.
Fuel Fest, Irwindale.
Irwindale.
Looks like it's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, a little cloudy, but it's gonna clear up.
Josh, how you feeling about today?
Oh, peachy.
Nice and overcast.
Beautifully
I gotta
overcast.
take a
George has had bubble guts since we got here.
Oh man, I feel you on that.
Over here, Hop at Auto Fest, working with Fuel Fest. We got a little hiccups, but you know what? Doesn't matter because we're gonna make it happen. We got over here our boy George letting us know what the heck we have to do over there. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at him.
sexy
Look at him. Look at him.
Yep.
Look at him.
So we have to change the layout a little bit because something happened to the track, but there's nothing that we cannot fix. So we have all of our drivers right now. They're waiting for instructions, and I'm trying not to lose my head.
You track designer as well?
Yeah,
Sick.
I just know it flows. This thing's gonna flow like the Mississippi River.
It looks way better than yesterday.
Well, it's gonna be more fun for spectators because now tandem.
It's gonna be wide as shit. Yeah.
More wheel speed, more smoke.
That's a very
Yeah.
important point. Is
You're already hurt.
Dude, you slept on that shit the whole time?
Yeah, I'm not gonna. It was definitely hard as shit.
I'm gonna try to watch every run to the best of my abilities, and if I see people destroying those cones, I'm gonna be like, all right, this person did it, this person. So if we get a bill, I'm gonna be like, hey dude, you went through it like 15 times, you're gonna split the bill, bring it 15 times.
Wow, that was my deal. Like, take that. You too dumb enough to run it over? Pay for it. Shit.
Let's go! Ripping, dude.
I'll get closer to the wall. I'm just first time driving the new line.
That was the first layout, right?
Yeah.
It's way better, actually.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good thing that that happened, to be honest.
Cars are so much better.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Every driver's like way better.
Yeah. Thanks, George. Good start to the day.
Just here modeling for Vogue magazine.
How was the ride?
It was great.
That's a lot of people!
I can take you for a ride later.
Yeah, yeah, 100%. Look at Jeffrey. You don't come
That's what she said.
and fucking Nina's doing your job.
Me and the baby.
camera and this vest to get in here. Let's see, let's see.
not enough fuel.
How much do you guys run?
We went through 20 gallons today. 14 tires. I had 6 more, and I had more fuel. I was running all night. But, you know, it is what it is. Right on, big dog. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for coming out. Have a good weekend. You too. Holy.
That's it. Dude, epic day.
It's a wrap. Fuel Fest 2024. Irwindale, Cali. Knows how to party.
This dude is a maniac. He was in the car. I swear to God. I don't know how you didn't like die of dehydration.
Dude, we did 31 ride-alongs. So, yeah, it was good. Shredded all day. Had a blast. Gave a lot of good ride-alongs. It was good shit. I had a blast, but I am clapped out.
Yeah, dude, so tired.
Clapped out right now. But we're gonna go get something to eat, hit the hotel, take a shower, just dive for 9 hours, get back on the road, head to Vegas. See you guys later.